Here's your weekly weather briefing from the National Weather Service in Jackson, Mississippi. The heaviest rainfall over the past week has been over the ArkLaMiss Delta once again, where 1 to 3 inches were common. Elsewhere across the area, rainfall averaged 1/10 to 1/4 inch. Rainfall totals for the upcoming week will be light, if any, generally 1/10 of an inch or less over the southern third. For the rest of today into tonight, high pressure will maintain control of our weather, providing mostly dry conditions. Meanwhile, we will continue watching the progress of Tropical Depression Number 9 in the southeast Gulf of Mexico. For Tuesday into Wednesday, high pressure will maintain control of our weather, providing mostly dry conditions. We will continue watching the progress of Tropical Depression Number 9 as it continues moving west in the Gulf of Mexico. For Thursday, Tropical Depression 9 will make a turn to the north and approach the Big Bend area of Florida. Meanwhile, a cold front will drop rapidly south through the upper Mississippi River Valley. For Friday, as the cold front continues to drop south, it looks to pick up the tropical system from Florida and move it northeast out to sea. Moving into the weekend, high pressure will build into the region behind the cold front. Cooler temperatures, especially at night, will be felt with the drier air in place. Looking at the upcoming week, day by day, other than some isolated storms in the south Wednesday and Thursday, sunny and dry conditions will prevail through the week. Highs in the mid-90s early in the week look to cool down into the upper 80s and lower 90s by week's end. The weekend outlook: isolated afternoon thunderstorms will be possible over the weekend, mainly in the south. Highs won't be as hot with upper 80s and lower 90s. Lows will be a bit cooler, dipping down from the mid-60s to the lower 70s. In the tropics, Hurricane Gaston in the mid-Atlantic and Tropical Depression 8 off the east coast of the United States will not have any impact on our area. There is an area of disturbed weather off the southeast Texas coast, but this area is expected to move inland over Texas by Tuesday. Tropical Depression Number 9 was located over the southeast Gulf near the northwestern tip of Cuba. This system is expected to move northward and eventually curve toward the Big Bend area of Florida. Looking closer at Tropical Depression Number 9, it is expected to turn into the west-northwest today, followed by a slow northwest motion Tuesday. The depression should become a tropical storm by early Tuesday morning and slowly begin turning to the north by Tuesday night, eventually impacting the Big Bend area of Florida. Model guidance continues to cluster around the current National Hurricane Center track, leading to greater confidence in the occurrence. The majority of the model guidance also only strengthens the system to a tropical storm or at best a weak hurricane. Over the next 5 days, development looks likely as another system moves off the western African coast into the eastern Atlantic. Thanks for viewing this weather briefing.